News at a potentially deadly situation here in Council Bluffs for basketball fans and spring breakers. People inside the pool area here behind me started to get dizzy, shortness of breath. Someone knew something was wrong and they decided to call 911 and figure out what was going on. Now, when firefighters from Council Bluffs arrived, they found that the carbon monoxide levels inside the pool area at the hotel were 600 parts per million. Let's put that in perspective. 30 parts per million is dangerous for people or any oxygen-breathing life form. Now, paramedics took 2 people to the hospital after finding carbon monoxide in their system, and 2 others were given oxygen at the scene. The owner of the hotel was having a spring break family reunion, and roughly 70 members of his extended family were staying here, and a group of his relatives were the ones in the pool area that became ill from the leak. The firefighters also believe that they located the source of the carbon monoxide, but investigators will still have to confirm it.
There's a boiler that actually ran the heater for the pool. He had reports this morning that the water was a little cool, and I think just before noon he turned on that boiler to heat the water up.
Just about 10 minutes ago, guests were able to return to their rooms inside of the hotel here in Council Bluffs. So anyone who was actually a waiter in this time, they'll probably come back and not even realize that anything was wrong. But again, a carbon monoxide leak sent 2 people to the hospital and injured 2 others that needed oxygen at the scene. Those 2, we haven't gotten the latest on their conditions at the hospital. However, they were expected to be okay. They just needed some heavy-duty monitoring. They do believe, again, that they located the source of this leak. They think it was the pool heater. It's being left off, and they think that that'll do right now. They're going to have some people come in and inspect it to see what actually went wrong. We're live in Council Bluffs. Dave Roberts, KETV, News Watch 7.